everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programs Made Simple. So in today's video we are going to do the program WAP to input a number and check if it's palindrome or not using while loop. So firstly we should know what is a palindrome number. A palindrome number is a number which remains same even after getting reversed. For example, taking number 121. If we are going to reverse this number, we'll get 1, 2 and 1, which is the same. So we can say that this number is a palindrome number. Taking another example, 123, after reversing, we'll see 3, 2, 1, that this number and the number entered are not same. So this number is not a palindrome number. So for checking the number is a palindrome number or not, we are going to be needed one integer for storing the reversed value, which is going to be initialized as 0 in the starting, one integer for extracting the value, and one integer as a copy of number n for checking later that the number entered, which is number n, is same with the number stored in the reversed integer or not. Okay, now starting the program, you can take any class name. For example, I've taken class ABC. In void main, we are going to initialize integer n as the question is asking the user to input a number. Then integer reverse is equals to 0 for storing the reversed value, d for extracting the digits, and cp is the copy of n. Okay, now running the while loop, n should not be equal to 0, which means that as soon as the value of n reaches 0, the program will stop running. Okay, now d is equal to n modulus 10. So over here we are extracting the last digit of number n. Number n, as for example, we can take 121, extracting the last digit, we'll get the remainder 1. You might be knowing if we are going to take the division from this side, we are going to get the remainder, and if from this side we are going to get the question. So over here we are using the modulus sign, so we are going to take out the remainder. So if we are going to do this, we'll get the remainder 1. Okay, then reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus d. So initially the value of reverse was 0, 0 into 10 plus d, which is 1. So the answer is going to be 10 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now n is equals to n divided by 10, which means that we are going to remove the last digit from number n. So the number n was 121, then we are going to remove the last digit, then we are going to get the question 12. Okay, now value of n is 12, so 12 upon 10, we are going to get the remainder 2. Reverse value is now 1, so 1 into 10 plus value of d is 2, so we are going to get 12 over here. Then again removing the last digit, 12 upon 10, so we will get the question 1. Okay, now the number n is 1, 1 upon 10, we will get the remainder 1. Then now the value of reverse is 12, so 12 into 10 plus number and d, which is 1 over here. 12 into 10, 120 plus 1, 121. Now removing the last digit, we will get the question 0. So the program will stop running over here as the value of n now becomes 0. Now if cp, which is a copy of number n, is equal to reverse, we can say that the number is a palindrome number. Over here you might be thinking that why we have not taken number n directly, as in the program the value of n is now 0. So if we are going to go like 0 is equal to reverse, we are not going to get the same answer over here. So in starting only we took a copy of number n to check later. Okay, now cp is the number entered n, which was 121, and reverse is the number we got over here, 121. So as these two numbers are same, we can say that this number is a palindrome number. If these two numbers were not being same, then we would have said that the number is not a palindrome number.